Hi everyone, I am here to show you a non-recipe contribution in the Thrive bundle that oh my goodness, a hummingbird just came to visit. Oh, that was amazing. It was right there. I have this mini lilac bush here, and I've never been that close to a hummingbird. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Oh, okay, I'm gonna come back to this now. So I came across this ebook, and it's by Carly Bodrug. Now, a lot of you know her. She's quite famous now. She just gained this huge popularity almost overnight, and I'm sure it wasn't overnight for her. And she has the Plant You cookbook and profile online, and this is her. The book is called Scrappy Home, a how-to guide for creating a low-waste home. Now, when I first saw this, I went, oh no, more jobs. So sometimes when I hear about low waste, zero waste, I get like a little bit anxious that there's more jobs or more that I should be doing, right? Add to the to-do list. And, you know, we're already doing a lot, especially as moms. So I hesitated at first to open it, but I'm glad I did, because there's actually really clever ideas in here, and I want to share some of those with you. So this is the table of contents. She gets into some details about zero waste, tips and tricks, how to store produce. It seems like an obvious thing, but a lot of us aren't really storing produce for optimal freshness. Some things need to be on the counter to ripen, other things need to be in the fridge. So that's always handy to know. How to revive food. So sometimes, you know, we have lettuces or celery and they get wilty, and there's ways to bring them back to life. Even sometimes it's just a couple of days, depending on how you store it. This is what I want to show you here. How to repurpose coffee grounds, some ideas for you. I'm not a coffee drinker, but it's a nice little tidbit to have. How to repurpose rice water. This is what caught my attention. I thought it was rice water, like when you cook rice and you drain it off. I don't cook rice that way, but some people do, and there's excess rice water. But that's not what she means. She means when you rinse the rice, and you can collect the water from rinsing rice and repurpose it. Who would have thought? Not me. Never heard of it before. Thought it was pretty clever. You're going to have to get the ebook to see the ideas. And I'll give you a hint in the email. And then this is the other thing that I liked, zero waste gardening. So I'm going to scroll down to these couple of pages just to give you a little inside peek. Okay, here's that page about repurposing rice water. I'll give you one of the tips. The first one is to use the water for your plants. Helps to nourish them. Who knew? Not me. And then there's another page here which I'm going to scroll to. Zero waste gardening. Did you know you can use your weeds to fertilize your indoor plants? Again, not me. Never knew it. And we got a ton of weeds in our garden. I hope you enjoyed this one. Just a couple of days left for the Thrive bundle. Get yours. And I'd like to hear what you love from the collection. Okay? Thanks for watching.